Fed's Bullard, I desire U.S. financial system repeats final results of 1994's gentle touchdown. The U.S. Federal Reserve ought to improve interest quotes unexpectedly this year and forge a stellar economy in advance if it could pull off a repeat of the fulfillment of the relevant financial institution's 1994 tightening cycle, St. Louis Fed President James Bullard said on Monday. That tightening episode precipitated some disruption that 12 months, Bullard said in the course of an occasion held with the aid of the AXA Barcelona School of Economics in Barcelona, Spain. However, I have constantly felt that set up the U.S. economic system for a stellar overall performance in the second one-half of the 90s. I desire we are able to get something like that this time. Bullard has been a vocal backer of competitive Fed movement to tame stubbornly excessive inflation. This is going for walks at more than 3 times the U.S. crucial financial institution's 2% goal. The 1994 tightening cycle noticed the Fed double interest costs to 6% in 7 rapid-fire hikes that blanketed 175 basis point and 50 basis factor movements. The Fed's so-called soft touchdown, wherein a recession become prevented, was observed by way of a period of fast boom in a traditionally tight hard work marketplace. Last week, at the heels of every other worse-than-expected inflation file, the Fed raised hobby prices by way of 0.75 percentage factor to a number of 1.50 pages C1, 75%, however now forecasts borrowing costs extra than doubling from that level over the subsequent 6 months. Fed Chair Jerome Powell stated remaining week that he anticipates either a 50 or 75 basis factor pass in July, and considering that then several policymakers, including those formerly more careful of their approach to decreasing price pressures in case the central bank sent the economy into recession, have regarded to again a whatever-it-takes technique. On Saturday, Fed Governor Christopher Waller referred to as for the Fed to enforce another 75 basis factor growth at its subsequent meeting in July, pronouncing the valuable financial institution as now all in on restoring price balance. Bullard stated the Fed still has a few manner to move in decreasing inflation. We are shifting fast, but shifting from a low degree and from the very accommodative monetary policy we put in location, he said.